An example of a keystone species, vulture. The death of vultures in India has been linked to largest number of rabies in India. Why? Because vultures used to eat the dead and decomposed organisms. When the vultures started dying, the dead and decomposed organisms were being eaten by dogs. These dogs used to mix with the domestic dogs, and thus the domestic dog caused virus, that is the rabies causing virus. Vultures को नहीं होता था rabies causing virus because vultures के stomach में एक acid है which will destroy that virus. So over the period of time, जितने भी मैं stories बताऊंगा अच्छी तरह से याद रखना, because many stories will help you in solving the questions. ये indirect questions देखा आपने कितने nature है, how much is the nature of this indirect questions in this. So the vultures, with the death of vultures, the virus came to the domestic dogs, and domestic dogs it came to the humans, and thus the death of vultures in India is responsible for largest number of rabies death in India in the world. वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा rabies से इंडिया में डेथ है, and there is no cure to rabies because there is no cure to cough and cold. There is no cure to viral diseases, and those who are viral diseases, all the rabies is a viral disease.